If you're managing a social media team, using password managers can be a game changer for keeping your accounts secure and organized. Today, I'll show you how to use password managers effectively for social media teams, keeping everyone on the same page while staying safe. You're going to want to stick around because I'll also share how to get an exclusive free trial to the software we're using just for viewers of my channel, so make sure to check the description below. Let's dive right in. First off, why should social media teams use a password manager? Well, with multiple accounts across platforms like Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and others, keeping track of login details can quickly become a nightmare. Password managers allow you to store, share, and access your login credentials securely, while making sure your team doesn't struggle with forgotten passwords. To get started, the first thing you need to do is choose the right software. There are plenty of options out there, but for this video, we'll be using software that integrates well with Teams. It allows for easy password sharing, secure login, and also has features that let you assign specific permissions to your team members. Once you've signed up, the first step is setting up a master vault. This is where you'll store all the logins for your social media accounts. In most cases, you'll want to organize these accounts by categories, perhaps by platform or by client, depending on your team structure. This keeps things clean and easy to find. Now you can add your passwords into the vault. You can either enter them manually, or if you're already using a browser to manage some passwords, the software will usually let you import those directly. Once that's done, you're almost ready to go. The next step is to invite your team members. Most password managers let you create different user roles. You can give team members access to certain passwords and restrict access to others. This is key for maintaining security and ensuring that only the right people have access to sensitive accounts. For example, you might want to give your content creator access to your Instagram login, but not to your advertising account. This way, your team can do their job without risking your accounts being compromised. As your team starts using the password manager, encourage them to follow best practices. This includes using unique passwords for each account and enabling two-factor authentication wherever possible. The software we'll be using can even generate strong, random passwords for you, so you don't have to worry about it. A big bonus of using a password manager for your social media team is the ability to track and audit who accessed what and when. You can easily see if someone's tried to access something they shouldn't, which adds an extra layer of security. One last tip: make sure to store other important information like client information, workflows, or tools your team uses regularly. Some password managers allow you to store these securely in the same vault, keeping everything in one place. Now here's your key takeaway. Using a password manager for your social media team is an essential tool for keeping your account secure and organized. Remember to set up a master vault, categorize your accounts, invite your team members with specific roles, and encourage best practices like using unique passwords and enabling two-factor authentication. And before we wrap up, I highly recommend you take advantage of the exclusive free trial to the software we're using today. You can find the link in the description below. It's a limited time offer just for viewers of my channel, so don't miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.